getting twigs. Getting twigs. It's getting twigs now. And I was recording it.
Good squirrel. What good squirrel? Don't scare her like that.
Squirrel's helping dead bird.
Try to get out of the way.
Look.
Don't go too close. Just scare it.
I'm not. Where's it going?
Go around the other way. Go around the other way.
Oh, it's gone inside the tree. It's gone inside the tree. Squirrel's helping.
Good boy.
They put the bird. There's a little hole in the tree and it went inside it. Let's see if it came out like 3 times to get.
Here it is. See it.
It's coming back for some more.
Hey, you're gonna scare it. Leave it now. Guys.
Okay, I want.
Come, baby, sweet. Yeah, rubbish.
This would be great for my YouTube channel. But can I stand out of you? It's helping it. Can it stand? Doesn't want to eat it. Yeah, the squirrel is gathering stuff for the bird to put it in the to help it stay alive. Yeah, the birds are suffering. So yeah. It's a baby bird that fell down in the nest. So the squirrel's trying to
Find something for it.
Yeah. But he's coming back down.
I think so, to get some more twigs.
He pulled the bird back into his into the tree. There's a little hole in the tree. I don't know if you can see, but there's a hole in the tree, and they put the suffering bird in the tree. And I think he's building a nest for it. I'm not sure, but he's helping the bird somehow. And I don't know what he's looking for. He's looking for something.
For him to eat, probably.
Yeah, he's just staring at me. Don't know what he's doing.
It's quite cute. He's very fat.
Yeah. He's looking. Oh, he's scratching himself. I think I should go. Oh, he's come down a step. He's coming down to help the bird. I think it was a dead bird. I'm not sure. Maybe it's a mouse or a rat. I'm not sure. I hope it's not a rat. So he's gone into these. He's gone into this big pile. I don't want to get any closer because I don't want to scare him.
I can see him gone over there.
Oh,
Over there. He's all the way over there.
he's
gone to get some more stuff.
Oh yeah, and the squirrels come to this bush to get some more leaves for the dead bird. For them. And he's got a leaf in his mouth. I don't know if you can.
I think he's making a nest.
Yeah.
It's really kind.
Oh, he's gathering loads of leaves.
Oh my god.
This is really fascinating. Oh no, I think he's gathered some plastic that someone's thrown. That's annoying.
He might suffocate, but I think so it's going to be... He's like...
Okay, let's
making
follow
it into a
him.
pile. He's very kind.
Oh,
squirrel.
there he is. With the... Oh, he's running away from us. I think we're scaring him. Oh, look, there he's running.
He's going there to get, I don't know, to save.
Look, he's got the leaves in his mouth and he's running up the tree.
Now he's going into his house.
Yep, he's going back. He's done it like 3 or 4 times now. Oh, and he's gone back into that little hole. So we're going to wait until he comes back out. Oh look, he's come back out now. I think he's eating it.
Maybe.
I don't know. Maybe he's helping the bird, or maybe he's having it for himself. I have no idea what he's doing. I'm not even sure if there was an animal there, but I'm pretty sure that it was a dead animal and he's helping it. Oh, look,
I'm Eliza's sister. Hello. He's like all the way up there. He's staring at us.
Yep.
I do
Again.
not know what he's
Oh look,
doing.
there's another squirrel there.
But he's not helping us.
Yep, I think the squirrel's working alone.
I think he wants to catch something to eat.
So he's just sitting there. He did this last time too. I think he's trying to find a good bush to get more leaves from to help the bird or whatever animal it is.
He keeps chewing his mouth for some reason.
By the way, we're in Reggie's park.
Another squirrel.
Oh yep, there's another
He's
squirrel.
I think he wants to help them.
Oh no, he's coming towards me. I'm scared of squirrels. I know.
Oh, he's coming quick.
Okay, go.
Oh, I think he wants to help the other squirrel.
Yeah, maybe. We're not sure.
I think he's
Oh
gonna
look, he's climbing up. Oh, I think they're fighting. Did you see that? Oh my
Oh my god, what are they doing?
Oh my god, that's a big argument.
Yeah, if you could see
Maybe
it
the brothers and sisters, they're
more-
bickering.
maybe.
There's one of those.
I think he wants to help it. Or maybe
Oh, he's staring at me. I really don't like
maybe the other one's trying to eat it and the other one's going to help it.
Yeah. I think the others, I don't know why the other school has got two. Maybe he's gone to go. I don't think they like.
They're both staring at
Oh yeah, one's there.
And one's up
there. They're really creepy.
They're
Yeah.
staring at me. I'm scared. I really love squirrels. They're so nice. They're very clever animals.
Yeah, they're really smart.
Because once like a snake came and they made the snake
Yeah,
go
we
away.
saw in a YouTube video.
The snake came and they made the snake go away. The
Oh,
squirrel.
look, he's running. Oh, I think he's going to get more leaves from the bush over there.
But that's the different squirrel. That's not the kind.
Oh, look, he's over there. I don't think he likes us recording him.
Yeah, but we have to. God.
Oh, there he goes. I really wonder how that bird's doing in the tree.
Same. I hope it's not hurt.
Let's see what's the other squirrel doing.
Where has he gone?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Maybe let's go to check if he's in the other bush.
Yeah,
Let's go check.
no, he's not in there.
Nope. I wonder what he's doing.
Yeah, maybe he's helping the bird.
Yeah, I
you know.
really hope so. I'm a squirrel, so I don't want the squirrel to be eating the bird. I have a feeling they're helping it.
Yeah, he's in that little hole. I don't think you could. So where's the other squirrel gone?
There it is.
Oh, there's the other squirrel.
Whoa, it's running fast. I think it's going to
Running
to get
towards the
bush.
monkey bars.
Now in that little bridge. It's going to the bush to help it. It's going to get some more leaves. So I think.
Stop following it, like. It's scary.
Standing up.
Looks like its heart beating.
Yeah. Oh no,
It's coming.
I do not like squirrels.
But some of them are really cute.
I think he wants to get leaves. I think we're gonna leave him alone for a bit so he can just get the leaves. Yeah, so we're just gonna pretend we're doing something else,
Yeah.
but really we're recording him. Okay, so there. Sorry if you can't get a bit closer. Okay, he can still tell we're recording us.
He's coming
He's
nearer.
so smart. He can still tell that we're recording him.
Let's go like pretend we're on the monkey bars.
Yes, we're gonna pretend we're on these monkey bars because we really want to record him getting the leaves, but he's not gonna do it if we don't.
See, let's go.
Okay, we're gonna go a bit closer. I get behind this wooden pole, and we're gonna record from here. I know you can't really see it clearly,
Yeah.
but the squirrel's still there.
I think it's behind it, but I'm gonna
Yeah.
go have a little look.
Yes, me and my sister are gonna have a little look. Let's see what he's up to. Come on, Hug. Oh, we can't see him.
Maybe he's on the other side.
Maybe he's back on the tree. Oh, he's in the tree up
Oh,
there.
yeah, what's he doing?
I don't think he's trying to help the bird.
No.
Or something that he was just eating had just fallen to the ground.
I do not know why. Ah, something fell on my head.
I think he's eating the tree and his slobber is going on the floor.
Maybe.
He's nibbling something. I don't think this one's really helping the bird. So
Yeah,
we're gonna go and try and find
he's
the other one.
still in the tree.
Yeah, there's.
the same position.
Remember when we said that the squirrel just stands there doing nothing? Well, he's doing that again. He's just standing there on the tree branch doing nothing. I have no idea what. Let's see if he's trying to help the bird. Nothing very interesting is happening right now.
I didn't know nature was that interesting.
Okay, can you see the squirrel there? Perching on the
Just
tree.
looking that way.
He's just looking into
I
that
think he's
direction.
looking at that dog.
Maybe.
He's standing on being bored.
So I don't think he's trying to help the bird either. Okay.
No, maybe he is. You never know. What is he doing? It's
So if this is a bit boring, we just
like want to see. That mushroom? No, it's not. Just no, it's not. Dirty someone trashed some tissue now.
It's really worrying. So worrying.
Yep, he's not doing anything. So let's go check on the other squirrel. We're just literally going from tree to tree, checking on the squirrels, see what they're doing. So let's. Yep, he's just sitting on the tree again. The other one.
I think he's still doing. What is he doing? It looks like he's cold.
Yeah, he's. He's just still. Oh, he's coming down. Let's see if he's going to.
Oh, he's running to the.
He's running over there, maybe, but maybe he's going to gather stuff for the
I
bird.
have a feeling he is not.
Yep, it's getting very boring.
Let's go
He's
for.
just shaking himself. Let's
Yeah.
follow him.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's she. We don't know.
I think Whoa. Now
So we don't know what sort of animal that is. I don't think we got it on camera when we saw the animal, but they did. We were just.
Oh no!
Oh no! He's gone out of the gate, and we're not allowed.
I think we can see him from here.
Yeah, maybe he's probably gonna come back in.
Yeah, I think he's going to get some leaves.
Yeah, finally something interesting. So we're just sitting on branches. Oh
What?
no!
He's climbing. There's another one up there.
Oh my God! How many squirrels are there?
There's a lot in the world. Let's go to check on the other squirrel.
Yeah, we're gonna go check on the other squirrel. I think this is trying to gather some leaves. We're gonna go check on the other squirrel.
We're going to the park. This park is so big.
Quite off now.
So just gonna go and check on the other squirrel.
I think
Nothing on that tree.
I
Nothing
think
on
we're
that
all
tree.
going to work together to get.
Look, that squirrel is still sitting in the same position doing.
Oh look, there's a really big bird up there.
Yeah, but I don't think
It's in danger.
I don't think, yeah, it's got anything to do with the other bird. So that squirrel is still sitting there in the same position doing the, oh, he's gone into that little hole.
I wonder
He's gone to save the bird.
Yay, finally.
Finally.
And whoa,
Maybe he's gonna bring the bird out, I don't know. Maybe they're looking after the bird inside that little hole.
like we look after some stuff in our house.
They say London right now.
So,
I'll go again.
so we don't know what they're doing. I don't think they're gonna do anything else interesting. But we just, at the beginning of the video, we saw them gathering leaves.
And we saw them pick up something from the
And he saved an animal, but we didn't get that on camera. But yeah, because I was just so sudden.
There's a little. Can you see? I wish I shrank and like go up there and go into the sea.
Okay, let's see if he comes out.
No, they won't.
Hey! I got your foot! Okay, now it's getting a bit boring.
Yeah. Come out, little squirrel.
We love you, but you're so kind in saving something.
Yeah, you saved an animal or the bird or something. Okay, that's all for now. If we catch him doing anything else, then we're gonna put it on camera again. Bye for now.